So you wanna play complex animation that can blend, branch, and sync with gameplay. That's play montage. Montage are backbone of advanced animation systems. Combos, attacks, skills. They let you section animations, add notifies, and control flows. Now to get this node, just right click and type in play montage and you will get this node. For now, let's just remove both of these because we have example prepared for us. As you can see, it is very simple one. We have a debug key one, which you can get of course by just by typing this exact event, and then you will get the node which is connected to the mesh. You always have to specify which skeleton mesh component it is targeting, otherwise it will give you an error or it won't work simply. After that, we have to specify which montage to play, but for now, as you can see, we don't have a montage of our own. And to make that a montage, just go to an animation, any animation you like, and right click on it, and then you can click on create or hover over create, which will open up some options for you like create montage and other things. But for now, we will just click create any montage and you can name it whatever you like, but for now, let's just leave it. It will automatically show you appropriate montage for this particular mesh, and even if it don't show that, you can just find it yourself. It's not that hard. So for now, let's just compile the code and let's just press begin play. And as you can see, as soon as I press 1, it started the animation, and after that it get back to its position. So whenever I press 1, it started working on its animation, and as soon as the animation is over, it returns to the anim graph, unlike play animation, which just lead to pausing the whole thing and not returning to anim graph. This is why it is used in so many ways, and for reference, it can be used for melee combos, spell casting, cutscenes, or synchronized multiplayer moves. If your character has combat, montage are essential. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.